Good morning, happy TGIF. Guys, I got one for you. I decided to run a contest. First of all, welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, welcome to my kitchen. You saw that thumbnail. The contest is about that thumbnail. So basically, excuse me, I'm doing first place, second place, and third place winner. This is how it's going to go. First place winner will get what? My flour. You're going to get the spicy and the regular. Second place winner, going to get the spicy. Third place winner, going to get the regular, which is my original flour that I started out with. Basically, this is what's going to happen. You're going to name this iconic breakfast. This is an iconic breakfast from a real popular movie. You're going to name this iconic breakfast. What? Ready, laugh, make me mess up. I'm gonna say, make me concentrate. You're gonna name this iconic breakfast. What I'm missing from this breakfast. The first three people, first, second, and third place, to comment the movie this breakfast was in, the item that's missing off of this breakfast platter will be how am I say it? That's how I'm gonna choose my winners. So first, second, third place. So the first people to name the movie this breakfast was in, and what's missing from this breakfast, I'm going to go through there, and I'm going to pick my winners that way. But you have to name the movie and the item that is missing from this breakfast to win my seasoned flour. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. The biscuits. We're making homemade biscuits, guys. I got 2 cups of flour. I got 4 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going in with 1 stick of very cold butter, unsalted butter, because I use salt. And I use all-purpose flour, so I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder in here. But if you get a self-rising flour, you don't have to do that. Didn't have my hands on any. Didn't have it in the store. All purpose. So, and of course, I didn't have no buttermilk. That's okay. I made my buttermilk. Some milk, 2 teaspoons of lemons. It's been sitting for like 20 minutes. Make my own buttermilk, or you use vinegar. Okay, and the cold butter. I'm going to take this. I'm just doing this for show because I like using my hand. Now, this pastry cutter don't do what I need to do. My hand's been washed. I'm going in. My house my way, your house your way. Because I want to get my butter up in my biscuit though, guys. And I just like old school. You know, before they made all these instruments and dootriggies and doohickeys and all that, man. You could use a fork, a butter knife, or what God gave you. Your freaking hands. Get it done. That's the way Grandma did it. Great-grandma did it, and Grandma before her. And that's what I'm about to do. I have a pastry cutter, but I'm sorry. This is not me. I got to do me. So I want to get my butter. And you want to make this crumbly, nice and crumbly. Get my butter up in there. And you want that butter cold so you can pre-dice it, have the butter sitting in the freezer. Because you don't want it to melt when you're doing all this crumbling. And so you want to get it nice and crumbly. So I'm going to get this crumbly, guys, and I'll show you the end result because it's going to take a minute. But that's what I'm in here doing. Look at that. So, guys, look how crumbly that is. Come up close. This is the crumbly texture that you want. See that? Nice and crumbly. Going there with my buttermilk. Now, I'm doing a little bit at a time because I don't want to put too much buttermilk in here. So I want to make sure I have enough the way I want it, nice and, you know, doughy. So I say do tablespoons. After you do maybe like 3 tablespoons, then just do a little at a time, at a time. Look at that. Get that dough right. Yes. And guys, the winner of this contest will be announced on the couch on tomorrow. So guys, make sure you tune in at 12 noon. We're on the couch tomorrow. And this is just how I want my dough. I don't need any more milk in there. I want it just like that. So, move this to the side. I got my oven preheated at 400. I want to take some, what's this stuff called? Flour. Place on my board. Place that there. Stick this right here. Just going to do a little bit kneading. So not a whole lot. I'm not even using no rolling pin, guys. It's not even necessary that I want to do. I want some nice fat biscuits. And the recipe to this is going to be in the description below. And I do have a biscuit recipe video out. Ooh, look at these. I'm just going to use my hand. They're ready. I like using it. What's wrong with my words? I like using aluminum pan to make my biscuits. So I'm going to cut. Look at that. Nice size. Place it in my aluminum pan. They going in the oven. Oh, these going to be some good biscuits, y'all. Nice and buttery. And thick. And I don't know. I did two cups of flour. I may get a dozen. I may not. But if you want to use your roller pin, by all means, use your roller pin. But if you don't have a roller pin, again, before they made all that stuff, we improvised. We did what we had to do, right? Look at that. Look at that. And I like putting my biscuits close together. So we're going to go on to the next step. While these biscuits are cooking, we're moving to the next step. And you know, they're homemade. With me, they may not be all the way even. But guess what? They're going to taste great. With a good old butter up on there. Look at that. Can't tell me you don't want no homemade biscuits for breakfast. With some good old-fashioned butter. Just some biscuits and jelly. So when I get to this last one, oh no, we're going to cut the edge. It's small. Because I want to be perfect. That's it. Hey, in the oven, 325. Clean this up. We'll come back and start cooking the rest of it. Okay, guys, we're back. So the next step is, I got some pancakes here. I'm making some pancakes. They're nice and thick. Ooh, look at that. And the biscuits are in the oven, guys. And I did, let me let you guys know, I did put some butter on my biscuits. I forgot to show you guys that part. So the pancakes are on. They're going to bubble up. The next thing is, I got my ham that I'm going to place in here. Let that fry. So guys, I decided to switch things up. You're going to tell me the two things that I got missing from this breakfast. That's what I need to know from you guys. The two things that's missing from this, to make this a complete breakfast, tell me the two things I'm missing. Pancakes cooking, the ham frying, biscuits in the oven.
I know what it is.
You're going to tell me the two things that's missing from this iconic breakfast. And we'll be right back when it's time to flip these pancakes.
I know what it is.
Okay, guys. This is my second pancake. And I'm about to flip that. You know, the bubbles in it. Woo! Look at that. Then this is the ham. You got it glazed up. Woo! Tell me that ham ain't cooking. Anybody want some breakfast out there? Let me know. Because I got you. Look at that. Remember, it's a contest. Ooh! We on fire! We on fire! Please help me! Okay. Oh my God!
I didn't even get it, I was like.
Remember the I got the pancakes Guys, I'm doing my eggs now. If you want to make sure you don't flop them from the top so your yolk won't bust, you just do it right there, just like that. So your yolk won't bust. And we're going to let that cook. I'm going to get some pepper to sprinkle on. But this ham, ooh wee. Look at that ham. That ham is done. Yes, baby. Look at the eggs sitting this over there. We're going to sprinkle some pepper. As long as I find the pepper. Man, y'all, I'm okay. We survived. Remember to move everything away from the fire. You don't want nothing like that to happen to you. Whew. I was scared ready to call 911. Okay? I was ready to call them. I'm telling you, I was. Okay. Let me find some pepper. Brandon, find me some pepper over there.
What's that?
I don't know. Assist me. I'll sprinkle some pepper on here because I'm doing, like this is, this, yeah, look at that. My son showing you. It's all good. We all safe. Oh, man. Lord, you know. Okay, it's all good, guys. So remember, this is a contest. What movie this breakfast is from, and the 2 items that I'm missing from this breakfast. Don't stop, they laughing at me. Here's the biscuits. Came out good. Okay? Let's go now. Eggs over easy. And I'm trying to do it just like the movie, guys. So, yeah. Name the 2 items that's missing. First place winner, get both flours. Second place winner, get the spicy. Third place winner, get the original. Guess what? Because she's been around longer. So, I'm trying not to bust my yolk. I'm doing it just like it. I love it. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Now, I got got my breakfast. I'm just gonna add, I'm just gonna set 3 biscuits right here. Y'all, my breakfast is complete. Tell me, I'm sweating. Why are you showing me? Guys, this is for the contest. This iconic breakfast. Tell me what movie this breakfast is from. What 2 items are missing? Come over to On the Couch on 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday to find out who won first, second, and third place. The first people to give me the answer, guys, you're gonna be the winner. Check this out. We got the fried ham, 3 eggs on fried, 3 eggs over easy. Is it over easy, or you know what they are? Some biscuits, pancakes. What are the 2 items I'm missing from this breakfast? I didn't know the name of the movie and the 2 items. I'm hot. I gotta go. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys as usual. Happy Friday. You guys be safe out there.